Marlocks and nose drops and needles for knitting, walkers and handrails and new dental fittings, bundles of magazines tied up with string. These are a few of my favourite things. Cadillacs and cataracts and hearing aids and glasses, Polydent and Fixodent and false teeth in glasses, pacemakers, golf carts, porches with swings. These are a few of my favourite things. When the pipes leak, when the bones creak, when the knees go bad, I simply remember my favourite things, and then I don't feel so bad. On tea and crumpets and corn pads for bunions, no spicy hot food or food cooked with onions, bathrobes and heat pads and hot meals they bring. These are a few of my favourite things. Back pains, confused brains and no fear of sinning, thin bones and fractures and hair that is thinning. And we won't mention our short shrunken frames when we remember our favourite things. When the joints ache, when the hips break, when the eyes grow dim, then I remember the great life I've had, and then I